Guys, welcome to my channel Pinto Cuisine. Hope you all are doing good. And in today's recipe, I'm going to show how to make rose cookies. It's a crispy snacks which can be made in advance and enjoy with your loved ones during Christmas or any other occasion. So let's get started. This is a quick recipe. Only thing you have to make batter and then fry them. So I'm going to show how to make the batter. For that, I've taken egg, one egg. I've taken sugar 50 grams, sesame seed I've taken white 1 teaspoon. Then I have rice flour which gives you crispiness, which I've taken 150 grams, and then 50 grams of maida to give a batter coating for the batter, and milk which I've taken 300 ml. The milk is I've taken 300, but I will see how much we require for in order to make a proper batter, the thick batter. So let's get started. One egg, sugar. This flour I've already sieved and kept, and maida. Now you have to add milk slowly by slowly. Mix it well so there are no lumps in that. Guys, check this batter. Check the consistency. I have not used all milk. Little is left. I will add 1 tablespoon of oil and sesame seeds. Mix well and keep this batter on the side for at least 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we need to keep the oil on the range in order to get hot. Check the consistency. This is also I've added 60 grams of sugar. If you want more sweet, you can add 80 grams. You can increase as per your taste. And these cookies are less sweet and more crispy. So let's keep the oil on the range in order to make it hot. Guys, check this out. While our batter is getting set for 10 minutes, oil you need to make it hot, and in this mold you have to keep it hot, keep it in the oil. If you dip cold in the batter, it will get stuck when you fry. So the mold should be very hot. Mix this after 10 minutes. And one thing you have to keep in mind when you dip the mold in the batter, you don't dip it fully. And then shake it little. This is how it should come. See how lovely it looks. Then dip this and let it remain hot in order to make the second one. give nice golden brown color. This is how you should make, and continue till you finish with the batter. Guys, check this out. This is how rose cookies are made. You also how batter is made. And check this one. Check the crispiness. This is how rose cookies are made. You can try this recipe at home. It's a very simple and quick recipe. Within minutes you can make this. And please do like, share and subscribe my video. Thanks for watching and God bless you all.